असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Now, exercise 2.4, problem number 3. You get the question? A number consists of two digits whose sum is 9. If 27 is subtracted from the number, its digits are reversed. Okay, find the number. So what is the given information here? A two-digit number is there. The sum of the two digits are 9. Okay, and if we subtract from that number 27, we will get that the value is reversed. Okay, so I am giving some explanation here. Look at carefully. Suppose xy. This is not a product of x into y. Consider it is a two-digit number. Okay, this is a two-digit number. In ones place y is there. In tens place x is there. Okay. Suppose the number 21 I am writing here. This we can write 10 into 2 plus 1 into 1. Why? So this is 1. We are multiplying with 1 because it is in the place of ones place. Okay. So 1 is in the place of ones. It means units place, and 2 is in the place of tens. Okay. That is why multiplying with 10 and this one by 1. So this we can 21 we can expand 10 into 2 plus 1 into 1. Suppose if I write reverse, what becomes? It becomes 10 into 1 plus 1 into 2, isn't it? So if I reverse this number, it becomes like this. Okay, so remember this concept. I will use this concept in the problem. Okay, and similarly here is also we can write this is a two-digit number 10 into x plus 1 into y. If I write reverse, it becomes yx. So in the tens place now y is there, in the ones place now x is there. So what becomes 10 into y and this one plus 1 into x. Is it correct? Yes. Now suppose xy is a two-digit number. So I am writing here xy is a two-digit number. So suppose consider it is z. Okay. So we don't know the okay. Forget about this. I will explain later this. So we get the problem first. We discuss later about that. Right. So a number consists of two digits whose sum is 9. So let us suppose consider one digit from two-digit number. Consider one digit from two-digit number x. Okay. So it is a two-digit number, but I am considering one digit is x. Okay. Right. Sum of the two digits is equals to 9. Okay. Right. So now come to here. Suppose xy is a two-digit number. Okay. X and y are two digits. Okay. Sum of these two digits is given here 9. It means x plus y is equals to 9. Suppose one number is I am considering here x. What is the remaining number? Y is equals to 9 minus 6. Suppose if I consider one number is x, the second suppose I consider one digit is x, the second digit is 9 minus 6, isn't it? Right. By using this, okay? Right. Now the second digit digit is 9 minus x, isn't it? Right. So next, the number. So with the using of this property, I am writing here 10 into 9 minus x plus x is the our required number. So how can I write this? By using this property. How? So if this is a 2-digit number, this is a 2-digit number, we can write 10 into x plus 1 into y. Similarly, one digit is x, okay, one digit is x, another number is 9 minus x or 9 minus x, these are 2-digit number it is, okay. So this could be right 10 into 9 minus x plus x, okay, right. So nothing but 90 minus 10x plus x, 90 minus 9x, okay. Right. If we subtracted from this 27, if I subtracted 90 minus 9x minus 27, so subtract 27 from 90 minus 9x, what becomes 90 minus 9x minus 27. This value is equals to reverse of this number. Reverse of this number. Which value? This is equals to reverse of this number from the quotient. Okay. Right. So what we can write? Reverse of this number becomes, apply this concept here. So 21 is a number. This we can write 10 into 2 plus 1 into 1. Okay. Suppose if I reverse the number, it becomes 12. So this we can write 10 into 1 plus 1 into 2. Similarly, apply same concept here. 10 into 9 minus x plus x is a number. If I reverse that number, what becomes? 10 into 9 minus x plus x. If I reverse this number, it becomes 10 into x plus 9 minus 1 into 9 minus x. Okay, by using this concept. Okay, right. Now this is equals to 10 into x plus 1 into 9 minus x. Okay. Now what becomes? 90 minus 9x minus 27 is equals to 10x plus 9 minus x. Okay, right. Now bring the x terms one side and constant term one side. So this 90 minus 27 minus 9 and is equals to 10x minus x plus 9x. Okay. Now what becomes? So 90, this is a 36. 90 minus 36, 4, 8 minus 3, 5. So it is 54 and this one is 19x minus x. 54 is equals to 18x. Okay. So now I am arranging this. Right. What becomes? 18x is equals to 54. So x is equals to 54 by 18. 18 1 ja, 18 3 ja. Now we got x is equals to 3. Now one digit is 3. Now second digit is 9 minus x, that we got 9 minus 3 is 6. Okay. Now what is the number? Now the two digit number is 63. Okay. That is our required answer. Okay. Right. I hope you understand.